Hello friends, we are meeting today with special program, special video. Actually, this is related to your profits. Now, because of this coronavirus COVID-19 critical period, all over the world, people's, businessmen's profits have gone down. Income has cancelled. Now, here in our video series, we are looking at how to generate some extra income or how to protect your income, especially with these special circumstances. How to protect your existing income and how to earn extra income. Now, this is actually business consultancy video series. You may subscribe us and click the bell icon also. This may helpful for all over the world and all people who are working with YouTube, who has certain expectation on income. Now just assume that you are in a small business, communication business, and you are selling stationeries and you are doing certain other activities such as typesetting and whatever, computer generated something, some images or whatever. Now just assume that somebody is coming and asking you for typesetting and you are with busy mode and you are dealing with some other customers as well. Now how to do that particular task quickly and as much as possible with limited and with small time. Now this is our lesson actually. Now in our tab or whatever, you may have certain device on that. In our tab we have opened email processing, email writing mode here, and we have in that tab we have installed the Gboard as well. Gboard in the sense Google typing, voice typing. When you are speaking in whatever language, Google will type continuously. Now this is the mode. Now we have entered to that. Okay, now we will try to speak with our own language. Sometimes that person may be asking English typing, or that person may be asking some other language. Now just assume that he is asking English typing. Now our keyboard is there, and go to that point and you can see here some icon is there with a mic. Now we will go to that position and click that mic. Now speak now. You will say speak now. He is listening. Now what you have to do is you have to speak whatever he is telling. Sometimes this microphone or whatever device or whatever you can provide to that person, that person can speak, and automatically those will be written by Google Gboard on your device. Now whatever you are speaking, he is writing, and it may be a book, or it may be an article, or it may be a whatever paragraph or whatever thing he will be writing when you are speaking to your microphone. This is easiest way. What we have to do is only arranging this Google Gboard typing, and whatever sentence or whatever number of words you can easily quickly type with this. Now we will look at if you are in a different language, for example without English, sometimes your mother tongue may be other language. So when you are making the settings for Gboard, you have to enter that your mother tongue as well. Now I have selected here Sinhala language in Sri Lanka, Sri Lankan language. Then in Sri Lankan language also you can speak with these letters. Now the keyboard you can see. Now I will speak in Sinhala, then he will write in Sinhala, and in between that if you are telling in English, he will automatically convert to English and he will write as it is. So this is the easiest way which you can write something on whatever your device, and Also you can print these out, and also you can convert these to other opportunities. For example, by using this copy, then select call and copy. I will show you later. Select call and copy to wherever you want. For example, Microsoft, it may be Microsoft WordPad or Microsoft Publisher or wherever, and just copy there and do what you need. For example, adding images or altering certain things. Here you have to be careful. Sometimes full stops and question marks or whatever symbols you may not have in this. Only what you have to do is just put in those things wherever you want. That is the most important thing. Now we will look at how to copy these things to another device or another place. Now just click there and you will have select call or whatever message there. Select call, you will see, if you press select call, then he will select all the things, and you can then select call and copy to wherever you want. Let's say Microsoft Publisher or wherever. Now be careful when you are speaking in other language other than English. When you are pasting directly to WordPad or Microsoft Word, sometimes letters may get certain deviation. So in order to avoid that, you can directly paste to Microsoft Publisher, and those in that program your letters may not get differ. So it easiest way to do those things. And also I have to point out too that this is an extra income. For example, that person came only for the typesetting, but you are providing here email facility as well. You can send this message to his email, and also without touching to keyboard and such a cumbersome work, you can easily type anything you want with Gboard facility. If you have got something, please subscribe us and share us, like us, and also expect another important videos in related to your business, especially during this coronavirus COVID-19 agony situation. We will consult you how to overcome these problems and how to maximize your profit and how to increase your efficiency and effectiveness. Thanks for watching.